Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In today's video, we bring to you a design of an amazing modern container home designed using two 40-foot shipping containers to create more than 640 square feet of habitable space. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing container home design. Welcome back. If you want to learn more on shipping container living, kindly subscribe. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. This amazing design is composed of two 40-foot shipping containers set apart 1.2 meters wide to increase the indoor habitable space. The shipping containers are elevated off the ground, sitting on steel pier. From the outset, the layout was designed to be cost-effective and efficient with very minimal cutouts to make it a cost-effective layout. Most of the interior container walls are retained in the original state, apart from the living room and the master bedroom, where some of the internal container walls are cut out to create open plan habitable spaces. What are the salient features we've managed to accommodate in this amazing design? From outside, we have a covered carport. Depending on your climate, you can convert it into a garage if you prefer a garage over a carport. The carport would be appropriate if you are in the tropics, or you can convert it into a garage if you live in the temperate regions. From the carport, you have a back entrance through the mudroom, come the laundry room, into a common passage that links all the indoor spaces of the house. From the common lobby, you can get into an open plan living space, which is spacious enough to accommodate an L-shaped modern kitchen space that is big enough to accommodate all the kitchen essentials and storage space. Next to the kitchen is a small dining area that can sit up to 6 depending on the configuration. On the extreme end of the living room is a big lounge area that can be fitted with 2 or 3 sofa seats and an entertainment unit lined along the blank wall. On the most private side of the house, we have 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. There are 2 similar bedrooms that share a common bathroom, and we have a spacious master bedroom ensuite on the frontal part with a big glass window and a false balcony that can slide wide open to allow for maximum daylighting, and it can slide open for cross ventilation and cool breezes. At the rear of the house, we have a big covered porch that is accessible from the living room through the full height folding glass doors. This is an intimate family outdoor space, ideal for family outdoor activities. To cap off the design, there is a big lean-to roof stretching across the 2 containers all the way from the carport to the covered outdoor deck at the rear of the house. This big lean-to roof stretching across the 2 containers from front to back is both functional and aesthetic. It ensures we have a covered carport that can comfortably accommodate 2 cars on the front of the house and a sheltered outdoor deck at the rear of the house. The remaining space on top of the shipping containers has been used to accommodate solar panels and solar hot water heaters. Feel free to explore any other alternative design ideas that you might find appropriate. In this particular design, we have optimal habitable spaces, both the bedrooms and the living room. The design retains the original container cargo doors, which swing wide open and are fitted with full-height sliding glass doors for maximum lighting and cross ventilation. All other habitable spaces are fitted with optimal sized windows for maximum daylighting and cross ventilation. The original colors of the shipping containers would be preferred to be left intact if you are using a one-trip container. This will help you to appreciate the charm and the marine history of the shipping containers that you use to build your house. Alternatively, you can have the entire frontage covered with an additional cladding like timber siding indicated on this particular design to basically camouflage the front and introduce a bit of a modern exterior finish to complement the modern design of the house. Since this is a shipping container house, you are encouraged to observe all the proper building design principles such as insulation, whereby you insulate your house to enhance thermal comfort. Insulation to use will be dictated by the climate or the region where you intend to build. If you are building in the temperate regions, you are encouraged to use an insulation material that has got good R values and water barrier properties to avoid condensation happening inside your container house. If you are building in the tropics, you can use any other type of insulation because the biggest challenge in the tropics is to keep away heat from your shipping container dwelling. The color palette for the indoors of your shipping container house should be light and bright to make the spaces look bigger and spacious. Since this is a shipping container house, there is limited indoor space. You are encouraged to use space-saving furniture ideas to make good use of your indoor space as transformative spaces. You can use a sofa bed instead of a traditional couch, transform it into a bed at night for additional sleeping space when needed. If you like this design, you can purchase it from our website sheltermode.com. If you have any questions or you need any clarifications about this design or any other design that we've done as Shelter Mode, feel free to contact us on our website sheltermode.com or send us an email through info@sheltermode.com. You can also check us out on all social media pages by searching for the word Shelter Mode. Thank you for watching. As usual, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to learn more about shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.